Good morning, guys. We've just calculated the weight of the vintage typewriter to be 19 pounds, 8.9 ounces. So basically almost 20 pounds because there's 16 ounces in a pound. But we're gonna show the weighing again really fast. Let's just set this down to 0. But once again, this thing has we started out. Okay, starting it on 1, you can see how we got there. Okay, this is just for protection. We put this here to protect it while it's weighing. But now, starting from calibrating from 0 from here to show that we're starting from 0. All right, we weight it to be, very gently putting this on here on the scale again. So it should weigh about that much. Yep, exactly. 19 pounds, 8.9 ounces is what it is. So that'll be the weight put in shipping. A full wrap is probably the base because the box and this
weigh no more than 2 pounds. I might even be able to get it into just 1 pound, but I really doubt that based on the actual sturdiness of the shipping and how much wrap we're going to have to use with the box and the extra protection. Okay, thanks for watching this video, those who were interested in this item. And we're going to have several more videos on bats today, and maybe some posters. I got it. We can get them organized. Thanks for watching this video, and have a great Sunday.